this one. Come and join or enjoy or watch.
Let's get started.
Let's get started. Okay. Hello guys, welcome to the channel. So a lot of you guys are asking about our underwater gear or underwater dive camera, and since we just have done diving, so I will show you how are we going to dismantle this. Let's get started. So first things first, this is G7X Mark II, and first we're going to remove the camera itself, and of course there's a GoPro 6 at the top, but we're going to remove the camera in the housing first. So what am I going to do?
Say what?
So let's do that. Let's start opening this.
So let's do that. We're going to start opening this. Ay, go how to do that.
Say what?
Wait. Go.
So let's open this, and this one is already open, right?
Now go.
Okay. And we're going to remove the camera itself from the housing, and wiggle. I'm afraid.
Say what?
Oh, this is the camera, of course. And next, I'm going to
Unscrew it from the hot shoe.
unscrew it from the hot shoe. Wait, is it hot
Start
shoe,
over.
babe?
Just shut up. Just start.
So I'm going to unscrew this from the hot shoe, and then the GoPro is right next to me now. And set aside this one, of course. So next I'm going to remove this from the arm. Is that arm, right? And also this one as well. How about that? And then next will be. So next I'm going to remove the tripod legs. So I'm just going to go this way and then remove it. Just like so simple, right guys? So it's so easy. See? It's already oh my god, it looks like a robot. But next we're going to do the same thing. Oh, this one is still there. So yep, just like that. This one too. So this is the number 3 leg of the tripod. The legs. So next we're going to take off the ball clamps for the arms. Okay. Oh, the thing is. Make sure this one is safe. Because the light is so expensive. I know. So this one is already untangled already. Or I'm going to remove this as well. Okay. So it's just so easy.
5 minutes earlier.
It's 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Make sure that you're going to hold this and then what is that? My goodness. Oh, it's so long. Okay, they're separate now from each other. So we have this. Then we have one of the lights. I'm going to remove this as well. So that you will have a hard time to put it back later. Just like that, And so oh my goodness. This is the second arm or both clumps. It's just so easy. Don't help me because I'm going to. Guys, this is the second dive lights in our dive camera, gear. So, but need to. Oh my goodness, is it like tighter or? Oh, be careful. See, you see that? If you're not going to like, this one is something. So you're going to be like eyes on the wood always. See, I already. Wow. This one is yeah. This one is so Villa. We remove this stuff already. Next, of course, we're going to remove the housing itself from this one, the base or foundation. Or oh, I'm sorry. We need to remove the lens first. Right? This one. I'm going to see. I'm expert level, so just.
I'm sorry. I can't.
So I'm an expert level. Oh my goodness, not expert now. I'm sorry, I need to make sure that this one is covered. I'm supposed not to remove it. And next, of course, we're going to. I'm going to close
No,
this
that's
one.
good.
Huh? I'm going to close this one because we need to remove this, right? Because there's a foundation or the base of that.
No, just leave it on there.
Okay. Are you afraid that we're going to
I'm very afraid.
exert a lot of time?
Yeah,
to-
very.
Really? So guys, I hope
Whoa, I can see your eyeball.
you like have some ideas how to dismantle your dive gear. And again,
But you have to wash it.
yes, I know. I mean, once it's already here, it's already like washed.
This is not the type of video I had in mind, but there you go.
Yes, because you know, Judia's life, we're going to offer a lot of random stuff. You know, from head to toe, from hands to kitten, to Kevin, to dive gear, to sea snake, whatsoever.
What about this?
So, and then we're going to make sure or secure this stuff. We're going to we're going to bullet her, you know. But I don't know, to tell you the truth, I really don't know what's this for.
Say what?
And again, we're
You had. Oh my
again we're using Canon G7X Mark II. Before we had a huge DSLR one, but that's pretty huge, so we just decided to we're going to use a small one than that using a big one. We have that at home in Siquijor, but we just decided to like don't use it at all. But maybe if you're interested, just contact me, of course. So please don't forget to give a thumbs up, share, and of course say something that on regards with this video. And of course, if you haven't like subscribed for my channel, please do, so you will able to catch up for my next videos. Bye. Why are you laughing, babe?
Because you're so weird.
What do you mean?
You're like, oh yeah, you need to secure this. You know what? I don't know what that is.